In this video, we present to you an amazing tiny container cabin in Lake Emma Township, United States. Welcome back. This charmingly converted bespoke shipping container home by Latitude Studios is located in Lake Emma Township. This little slice of heaven was crafted from two shipping containers. A 10-foot container is joined to a 20-footer to create an L-shaped design that blends luxury amenities with an immersive nature escape. The house is elevated off the ground on a concrete foundation to keep the containers away from moisture. The main entrance opens into the private screened-in porch, richly furnished with comfortable lounge chairs for a relaxing atmosphere. From the screened-in porch is a small dining area, big enough for two next to the corrugated container wall. Next to the dining area is a mini kitchen with custom wood cabinetry and all kitchen essentials to cook and feel at home. Off the kitchen area is a compact bathroom with every requirement. It is fitted with a glass shower cubicle, a vanity with storage, and a standard toilet. On the far end of the cabin is the master bedroom. It offers incredible views and is fitted with a king-sized bed next to a big picture window. The bed takes up most of the space, but its positioning next to the large picture window allows guests to look over the private backyard oasis. This cabin has a private rooftop deck for relaxing with gorgeous views of the pristine landscape. The roof deck also offers a great place to relax, fire up a grill, or stargaze at night. This amazing container cabin is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing container cabin appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.